Hi there, welcome back. Well, it may or may not feel like spring where you are at. It certainly does not feel like spring where I am at, but I can tell you where spring is in the air, and that is with this juicy box right here by FabFitFun. FabFitFun just released their spring box. How fun, festive, and springy is this packaging? I love it, and I cannot wait to share with you all of the goodies that are inside and what my impression is of this box. Let me first share with you that I am partnering with FabFitFun to go over what is in the contents of this seasonal subscription box. Because FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription, you will receive 4 boxes throughout the year. Of course, the box that I have is spring. There is a summer box, a fall box, and a winter box that covers all of the seasons. Inside each box, you will receive a full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle product. And I don't know about you, but that pretty much covers everything that I love because I'm a fashion girl, I'm a beauty girl, you know I'm into wellness, and you certainly know I'm into lifestyle. So I love it that this box really covers everything. Each seasonal box costs $49.99, but the contents in the box are valued at over $200. So again, your spring box, $49.99. When you get your summer box, $49.99, but over $200 worth of goodies. Fall box, $49.99, over $200 worth of goodies, so on and so forth. But today I feel like sharing a little love with you. How about some Tracy loves? I can save you $10 off your first FabFitFun subscription box by using my code Tracy Love. So Tracy is sharing some love, $10 off first subscription. How do you take advantage of that $10 off of your $49.99, which now will bring it to $39.99 for your first box? If you go to the Show More tab below this video, at the very top of that box will be a FabFitFun link where you can get to their website. You will also see my code Tracy Loves. You will need to use that code at checkout to get your $10 off your first subscription box. Don't forget that is over $200 worth of goodies in your box. And this is just my thinking. I actually tallied up every single thing that was in my box to see what the value was, and it was $289 in this box right here. I can't wait to show you all the goodies. The other thing that I think may be new to FabFitFun, I'm not really sure, but it sounds as if now, maybe you didn't used to be able to do this, but now you get to customize some of the products in your box. I don't believe that means every single product, but I know when I was doing the selections for my box, there were a couple items that I got to pick between 2 things. For example, I got some key sunglasses in my box, but there were 2 different ones that I could pick from. Therefore, you can select the one that suits you the most. I believe there may have been a skincare item as well that I was able to choose which product would serve me better. So I love the fact that it is customizable. For those of you that follow me, you know that I am somewhat of a creature of habit. I know what I love, I know what works for me, and I don't deviate a lot. So I always love when I have the option to be able to select what works for me. And I don't know about you, but I don't know. I'm not a shopper, and I think most of you know that. I cannot stand to shop on foot. I do all of my shopping online, and that is why I love when I can take advantage of a service if I feel it speaks to me and have items conveniently sent to my home. One of the things that impresses me the most with FabFitFun is that the brands that they carry and provide in their subscription boxes are not only generally new brands, but they are also female-owned businesses, and I love the fact that we are supporting each other. You know that I am all about supporting, empowering, and lifting other women. We are supporting women that take that leap of faith and bring their product to the market or bring their business to the market, and I love that. I will show you later on what the box looks like full, but I wanted to show you the beautiful and adorable packaging in the inside, or what the inside of the box looks like. Check this out. Is this not so fun? What a great box to recycle to give as a gift, or just to close up the box and set it out as decor during the spring or whatever seasonal box you get. You could set it out as decor in your home because they're just so adorable. I also had a little thought about this box. It's just kind of my way of thinking, and maybe it comes from being a mom of 5 girls. But I think, how fun would this be to put more grass in it and make this one of my young adult or teenage daughter's Easter baskets, because I just think it's so cute. You just know that I am always going to find a use out of everything, and I am always going to give you a Tracy's tip in every video, I think. All right, who is ready to dive into what was in my spring box? Let's do this. The first thing that I want to talk about is this beautiful floral robe by the brand Show Me Your Moo Moo. Comes packaged like this, valued at $84. What is beautiful about this floral print robe is it features a removable belt and a high-low hem. You can see me wearing it here. It's nice and lightweight, perfect for spring and summer months, and I just love the floral print on this. I think it is so feminine and beautiful. The next thing that I want to share with you is this Sip by Swell, valued at $19.99. This is an insulated stainless steel water bottle that can be used for hot or cold drinks. I am sure many of you are familiar with this brand. I do think some stores carry this as well, but I love the whales on this. I'm actually going to re-gift this and use it as an Easter basket filler for one of my daughters. I'm sure some of you can guess which daughter that is. And again, I may recycle that FabFitFun box to just make such a cute and festive Easter basket or Easter box, I guess it would be. Next, valued at $55, we have some Key Australia My Girl sunglasses in black smoke. Again, this was an item that I was able to select which of the 2 sunglasses by Key that I wanted. These oversized cat eye sunnies have black hardware and chic metal accents. Perfect for me to go in my wardrobe. I don't want to look right at the lights, but you can kind of get an idea as to how these sunglasses look on me. Next up, we have the 11 by Venus jump rope. This is valued at $15. This is a high quality jump rope to step up or complement your already results-oriented fitness routine. And I know you are all getting ready for spring break, as we are all in spring fever. So start utilizing that jump rope, ladies. Super excited about this next item by Libido. This is a body lotion, and I have had body lotions by Libido in the past. I've always loved the texture, the moisturizing, and the scent. So I am super excited to get this full-size bottle right here, valued at $19. This is the Libido Aromatic Body Lotion in Mandarin, Orange, and Bergamot. It's a citrus-scented body lotion. I'm actually wearing it today, and it smells delicious. I just love the texture. The next item that I want to talk about, valued at $26, is the Way Leave-In Conditioner. I have never tried Way products. I'm really excited to try this one out. I have a daughter that got a little sneak peek into my box, and she's like, "Mom, I want that Way hair care." And I said, I may be willing to share, but I definitely get to try it first because I love to give my impressions of products. So I am super excited to try this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It claims to detangle, moisturize, and is also a heat protectant. I do really look for products that do have the heat protectant factor. I don't like to use a lot of heat tools on my hair, but clearly when we're styling our hair, that's going to happen. So I'm really impressed with all the claims that they make on this product, and I will definitely keep you posted. If any of you have tried this product, please let us know what your thoughts are. This next juicy item could potentially be one of my favorites because I love a good body scrub. This is by the line Manna Kadar Champagne Body Scrub, valued at $24. This Luxe Body Scrub is formulated with charcoal and dead sea minerals to leave skin polished, hydrated, and refreshed. I am so excited about this. I love the smell, and I'm just a sucker for my body scrubs. You know I do a lot of self-tanning in the spring and summer. I will hopefully be getting started with that routine soon if this weather ever breaks around here, but I do a lot of exfoliating with body scrubs throughout those months. The last item that I want to share with you that came in my spring box is by Dr. Brandt, which is a skincare line that I love. This eye gel claims to visibly reduce the look of under eye bags in dark circles. And ladies, we know we're burning the candle at both ends, so we know all about the puffy eyes in dark circles. So there you go, spring box, no more baggage, eye depuffing gel. I'm all about it. There you go. That is all of the contents of my FabFitFun spring box. And again, my box was valued at $284.99. I think that is so awesome. Very impressed with FabFitFun. I do want to thank them for partnering with me for this video, giving me the opportunity to try out one of their boxes and to give my impression. And I love the convenience of getting these awesome items sent directly to my home. And it was kind of fun to go online and pick out which items I want, where I could make those selections. Don't forget to take advantage of the $10 off your first box with FabFitFun by using my code TracyLoves, which again, you can get to in the drop-down box. You can also get to that in the corresponding blog post. Don't forget to sign up for my email. I do have a newsletter that goes out every Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time with updates of things going on throughout the week. Maybe I will keep you updated on some of the products that I received in my box and let you know what my thoughts are of them. You'll probably see some fashion shoots with my key sunglasses, and hopefully you'll see a little less bags under the eyes with my Dr. Brandt depuffing eye gel. We can only hope. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to take advantage of the offers, and thank you to FabFitFun. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Happy spring.